And the body fangs walk through bush. Guys, have you ever stumbled across somebody there and you look him by the eyes and you think to yourself, what a blarry? Yeah, he says to you, he is a professional in what he does. Yeah, in the meantime, he is a painted Mona Lisa painted with water paint. Like this ook. What you looking at? Yeah. You need to make sure that you use the right people and the right professionals for the right job. That's why you can never go wrong when you use Debon Air. These oaks know everything about bloody compressors, okay? And his service is out of this bloody world. Check them out. Debon Air. Bloody amazing.